Alright, so good morning, and I'm hoping soon you guys can join in on the stream. But good morning. I'm going to wait a little while and just see if I can get a few people to join the stream before I actually start. Alright, so basically I'm just going to go ahead with the whole chart breakdown now. And just before I go ahead with the chart breakdown, I really want to show you guys what my account is currently looking like after yesterday's stream. So you guys remember yesterday I said I was down on my 10k phase 2 account. I was sitting at just around here. So I was sitting at about £500 drawdown. And basically after the trades I was taking and all, and the ones I was also sent in the Telegram channel, the account is actually back to break even. The account is back to break even. Yeah, the account is back to break even. So yeah, you guys can probably see, yeah, we're able to do just around £284 yesterday. We were able to do that yesterday. And then my 35k account, the account is basically sitting at 30, it's sitting at £2,636 in profit. And yesterday when we did the stream, it was currently at this point, so it was only sitting at about £700 in profit, which is a good thing. So yeah, you can basically see how much we were able to do here. Okay, we did about £1,200 yesterday on the account, which is great, to be honest. It's really great. But that's about it. I'm going to go ahead, get on the charts. By the way, if you are not in the Telegram channel, do well to join the Telegram channel, because trades that I'm not able to do or trade ideas that come after I'm done with the live, I just send them there directly, so you don't miss out. Do well to join the Telegram channel. The link will be in the description below. Also, if you like to support this live stream, you can use my link to purchase an FTMO account. Definitely I'll get a small commission, but at the same time you also get a discount on every purchase that you make. But so far, here's what the market is looking like. Market has not really done anything I'm really eager about. Still just monitoring what the market is doing. Honestly, I'm really looking for sales for pairs traded against the dollar, and yeah, you guys can basically see what I'm looking at. I'm looking to see price take out liquidity in at this level, and then probably we could start seeing drop to the downside and possibly take out these sell stops right here. But just a quick one, this was a trade that I sent out to the Telegram channel, a trade at ETP. And I got those well in profit. But so far, market is a bit slow, and one of the reasons for that is due to the fact that we have PPI coming soon, coming later today. So the market is going to be a bit slow today. It's not going to have that fast movement it usually does. But it's something I'm just going to be monitoring the chart, see if there's any possible trade opportunity, and if there is none, then I will just wait till during PPI or after PPI, whatever the case may be. But for now, what I gonna do is basically just watch and see what the market intends to do. Actually seeing bullish price action for dollar. Seeing bullish price action for dollar. As at yesterday from this point, I was looking for short on dollar, after I entered the USD card buy, I was looking for shorts for dollar, and yeah, we can basically see how far dollar went. It went really deep, and that aside, you can basically see what price has been doing. Price has been grabbing liquidity. So basically, all of these moves to the downside has just been to grab various form of liquidity, grab liquidity, grab liquidity, grab liquidity, and it came back into this fair value gap, which it reacted real nicely away from. At the same time, if we even take a look at this week right here, I think price reacted off the 50%. Yeah, price reacted off the 50% of that week perfectly. It was a perfect reaction, and yeah, it's really great. So far, price actually gapped, which is something price has already filled. So price already filled the gap. But so far, I'm just looking for a buy, to be honest. I'm looking for buy balls. Right now, there is no real setup um, that has been formed right here. For those of you that just joined the chat, please do well to drop where you're watching from. I really appreciate it. And if you do have questions, just keep them coming. I will answer each and every one of them once I have the time to. But yeah, so far, price is actually bullish in my own opinion. But at the same time, there is no setup from there. There is no setup right now. I'm trying to find a setup, but I can't find any. And at the end of the day, you're not trying to force. You're not trying to force setup. You're just waiting for the market to do its thing. So yeah, for now, but overall, from this level, or let's go down to the 5 minutes. Let's see if market's probably going to be clearer there. So overall, this is just this is kind of production that I'm not interested in trading. This production is something I'm not interested in trading. You can notice price is just basically ranging. Push to the upside, push to the downside, grab liquidity, push to the upside, grab liquidity, push to the downside, grab liquidity, lower liquidity, grab, same again, and then grab to more liquidity. Like it's basically a rangy market. It's basically the kind of market I don't want to be a part of. Please, wherever you're watching, drop a message to signify where you're watching from, and also if you have questions, just do well to drop them. But at the same time, this is something that I won't be participating in as of now. I probably feel there's possibility of price trying to come down, grabbing these lows before PPI, and then probably when PPI comes out, we'll just see the spike. So before PPI, we could see price come take out both these lows and these lows as well, and then we'll see the spike later on. But so far, it's not something I want to be a part of just yet. Same as this. Now, I could definitely decide to go in for buys. I could look at this, see the fact that we reacted off a bullish fair value gap. After a bullish fair value gap, broke short-term structure to the upside, and then reacting off another bullish fair value gap. But at the same time, this is not the kind of trade I like to enter. This basically kind of setup I'm majorly trying to avoid because here you don't have a clear bias just yet, and market could basically just go anywhere. Market would come, take out the lows, and then you'll be stopped out. So for me, as of now at least, it's something that I just try to avoid. But looking at okay, I think I actually just saw something, but let me zoom in on the chart and let me readjust every one of these things. Okay, looking at the chart, let me clear this first. Looking at the chart, we can basically say okay, we're at buy stop being taken out right here, which means this fair value gap might actually hold. Or let me go on 50. Okay, this fair value gap right here on the 15 minutes might actually hold. But still, I'm not gonna lie, it's not something I'm confident about, and since it's not something I'm confident about, it's not something I'm willing to enter. Something I'm willing to enter, so I'll just stay out of this. Then let me go over Euro USD. For Euro USD, the price action is okay. And here's the thing. Based off of the 1 hour fair value gap, price was already reached into the fair value gap, but guess what? Price did not grab liquidity from their level. Price did not grab liquidity. So if you can notice, price actually left it. Price left it. But there's something I'm actually looking at. And I'm trying to see how price approached that level. And from the look of things, I actually feel liquidity might probably have been grabbed, even though like price did not overshoot into this level. Liquidity probably has been grabbed even though price did not overshoot into this level. Because if you take a look at what price did here, you can notice price trended into that place. Like it created a new high just at that level. So which means this level, which means at some point liquidity was probably grabbed around this level. So I'm just going to a bit skeptical about this, but I'm still going to just go ahead and try and just do my markup and look for an entry level. I think this right here would have been a perfect entry level. This right here would have been a perfect entry level, but at the same time, I'm still looking at it from a different perspective. Uh, you can also see the manipulation based off of the hourly time frame. You can see the high created, the low created, and immediately price overshoots that high and then runs into the fair value. So it's possible there's a possibility that price could actually respect this and then we could see some more push to the downside. Nothing crazy or something, but we could see some push to the downside. So I'm just going to give it a try with a shot. For that is PPI, I'm going to be more conservative. Honestly, I really don't want to. Let me scale down. Hmm, But I'm still a bit skeptical about this, to be honest. To be very honest, I'm a bit skeptical about this. Let me look at the hourly time frame and see what the hourly is showing. This could play out. Understanding the fact that I'll just grab buy stops. This could actually play out. So I'll be taking this trade. It's risky, I know it's risky, really, really risky, but I'm actually going on the trade. My entry has been missed, so I'm just going where the market is currently sitting at, and then of course I'll target my usual 1 to 2 hour. So as usual, my risk is usually 2%. So calculate that will be 3.6, and then 9,900. That will be 1. So I'm just going to round it off, and I'm going to place my position 1, and then 3.6. Let's say 3 point. So I just got in on the position right here. It's actually really risky, but let's just say I plays out, to be honest. Let's just say I plays out. It's something that a lot of conferences are backing it up. A lot of conferences are backing up the fact that price grab multiple liquidity here, here, and then to an extent, it's created this kind of equal highs with this level. Even though I would have loved if it pushed above it, but since even though it still didn't push above it, what price did here is something that okay, I really don't mind being a part of. Even though it actually goes to my stop loss, it's something I'm okay with. Something I'm okay with. So I'm just going to wait, see how the thing plays out. And let me try and see if there's a way I can adjust my stop loss because adjust my stop loss and just probably move my stop loss somewhere here because yeah, I'll just move my stop loss here somewhere there. Let me adjust. So I basically already got into the position. I'm going to just manage it. I'm in with 2%, 2% risk. It's risky to be honest. Risky. Something I would have loved is see that clear break of structure, that final break of structure. But I didn't see it, but at the same time, price did something that I would, it's something that, okay, actually shows how price might actually be ready to push to the downside. So why not? Go 705 to 0024. The only thing that's making me skeptical about this whole thing is the fact that PPI is coming, and I'm feeling like price may want to stall. That price may want to slightly go above that high before PPI. No, but let's just see. Let's just see something that I cannot exactly predict. At the end of the day, PPI may even lead to some certain buy. So this push to the downside might be something that was going to happen, and then PPI. Because if you guys remember what I was talking about on DXY I was talking about the fact that price could like very could want to take out these lows. Same time we have this significant low sitting right here, so price could always want to take it out. So before PPI, we could probably see something like this price getting a bit strong, run into maybe other blocks right here or any favorable gap right here before we see the dump or whatever. Anything can happen to be honest. So but let me just set my stop loss. Let me place my stop loss and all. So I basically just entered my position on that, and let me check out ADSD and see what's really happening. Usually something similar to what's it called? Something similar to Euro USD, but the only thing is the price action in Euro USD as of now looks far cleaner than the price action I'm seeing right here. So that's just the only difference. But other than that, it's something really similar. Something really similar. One thing I'm actually beginning to feel like is for that price might probably be leaving these levels above to create even more liquidity. If you see the way price is approaching them, price is approaching them in a trending manner, it might be leaving those levels to create liquidity. Before PPI, price probably just be pushing to the downside a little bit, and then coming into PPI, we could just see the burst in price to the upside. So that's a possibility, to be honest. It's also another possibility, but let's just see how it goes. For now, I'm just in Euro USD sales. I'm not really looking to get in any other position. Every other thing doesn't look as good, to be honest. Nothing looks real good. That one can really enter. This, on the other hand, it might actually be ready. It might decide to still push a bit lower, coming into what's it called TPI. It could push a bit lower. But let's just see, to be honest. I really don't know what's likely to happen. Everything I'm just making is probabilities. I was like, I'm just trying to make right guesses, which is basically what we do as traders, trying to make right guesses. Then let me um create a live metrics for this so you guys can see in real time what the loss or the profit of this account is. The fact that the market is really slow today, I'm probably not gonna be on this stream for a really long time. I'm probably gonna exit soon, but yeah, let's just see how it goes. Probably gonna exit soon. Okay, the stream has just been active for about 23 minutes, so I'll probably exit soon. But for now, I just want to wait see how this all plays out. Honestly, if I'm able to get something like a 1.5 hour before the news, I probably may just take my money and run because let me even readjust the whole thing. My actual TP was meant to be somewhere around here, so 178. Let me adjust the whole thing. My actual TP was meant to be some 183. So if I probably get something like this, I'm just going to get out. This is what I'm just going to target. Just something like, and the reason I'm targeting something like this is the fact that I already wasted a lot of time. I already wasted a lot of time. Except I already wasted a lot of time. I'm really not gonna move my stop loss below the far below. I'll just leave my stop loss just above here. Yeah, just right there. I really wasted a lot of time. I missed my actual entry. So if price, I know this is a 1.3 R. It's a 1.3 R. It's really really small. It's not up to my regular 2 hour. But if I'm able to get this, then I'm just going to get out of the market. I'm going to adjust my stop TPs. And the reason why I'm doing this is because my actual entry level was meant to be somewhere here. And the fact that PPI is actually around the corner, price may not extend, it may not give us that lead room where we see price extend even lower. Price is probably just going to run. And if you notice here, we have another block right here. So possibility of price running into this other block and straight away reacting away from it is possible, like it's 100% a possibility. So I'm just going to have this in mind. From another perspective, I'm looking at this and okay, what will happen is I'll have my anything that makes price get over here, I believe price is probably going to push higher into this side. So I just have my stop loss there. 16. I'm just going to so basically what I'm basically targeting is a 1.8 R in this sense. I'm targeting a 1.8 R. If I do get 1.8 R, almost 2 R basically. So if I do get that, then I'm just out. So just out. The reason why I'm doing this is during all this very aggressive news, during the London session of when we're choosing the London session of this kind of aggressive news, you just have to be really smart about what you're doing. And majority of the time, price will not give you the lead room. It can when like price will not give you that extra breathing space it will naturally give you on a normal day. That's on a day where there's no news at the end of the day. Something because the news is majorly what will sponsor every the news is majorly what will sponsor what price will do. So yeah. This point I'm really not understanding. Okay, I actually almost confused myself. I was like, whenever I'm arranging my stuff, my TPs on my MT5, I always try to make it a 2 hour on the dot. I always try to make it 2 hour on the dot. So I was a bit confused the fact that it was not up to 2 hour. But yeah, that's just about it. I'm just going to be waiting, playing the waiting game, see how price plays out. That's just what I'm just going to be doing. See how price plays out, to be honest. 641. So basically, I'm just waiting. Market is going to be very slow. Let me tell you that we have news this week. So we have PPI tomorrow. We have CPI. So basically, this week is just news packed. To be honest, this week is news packed. Now, one of the major reasons why I really don't want to wait to trade this news is due to the fact that FTMO does not really allow news trading. Though they allow news trading on their evaluation account, but on their live account, they don't allow news trading. So, except maybe this trade actually rolls over to the news type, which I definitely might not even want to do during the news because, as I said earlier on, from look of things, there's so much liquidity. Except maybe before the news, price has already maybe price hits my stop loss, takes out this size, then no problem. I could very much look for a trading opportunity just before the news. But if price is still yet to do any of those things before the news, then once that's 5 minutes to the news, 5 minutes or 10 minutes to the news, I'll just wherever my trade is at that particular point, I'll just get out of the position. It's not worth taking such risk, to be honest. Not worth it. But so far I'm just gonna be waiting. Okay, this slow. Honestly, if this could even push to the downside somewhere into somewhere around here. Let me check. Into somewhere around here. Around here. I probably could pass my 35k account. All I just need is about 800. Or let's say 900, so estimated to 900. So I think around there should be running about 900. And if it does that, I could even probably close all of my positions as I'm not going to even wait because on days like this, you just want to take whatever you can take and run. That's what you just want to try and do. Take whatever you can take and run with it. You're not trying to be greedy. You're not trying to be greedy or anything. But so far, market is slow and it will be like this for a really long time. So let's just get comfortable. So far, there are no questions yet. I probably could have answered some if I had seen the questions, but no questions. There are no questions just yet. So I'll just go ahead and just wait for the chat. I like go far around and all. Okay, so this stream has been on for approximately about almost 40 minutes basically. Almost 40 minutes. Let me keep this somewhere around here first. Let me have a tab here so I just know where price gets here. At around that level, I should have passed my 35k account. That's if price pushes to that point. And if price pushes to that point, I'll just be out of the market entirely, both on what's it called on my 10k account and on this account. I'll just be out. It's not really worth the risk. 023. Let me just adjust the TP off. being patient when it comes to trading is actually really difficult, but it's a must have virtue, like it's a must have when it comes to trading, because if you're not able to be patient just for a few minutes on the chart, you're definitely trying to lengthen your period of unprofitability. This is something that price may want to push above. This size, price may want to push above those highs. So it would be really nice if price is able to react directly off of this point, start reaching that far to show the strength in the market, honestly. But still, whatever price wants to do. So price may most likely want to reach this high above. We also have this other block right here, this other block. I think the other block is more visible on the higher time frame. Hmm. It's probably we also have this breaker block. So price could probably want to reach into that. Yeah. Let's see how much I'm okay. I'm currently down about almost 250. Almost 250. We'll have another 1 hour candle in a few minutes. If this pushes down into this level, takes out this liquidity before PPI, as I said earlier on, then you're most likely going to be seeing a strong push to the upside. That's when PPI is released. But if we continue pushing to the upside right now, we continue pushing to the upside, that means during PPI, it's probably we're going to see that down push. So let's just say sharp. Okay. A new hourly candle has been released. Jeez, jeez, the movement is on these candles really fast. I want to see how price reacts to this level. That if price was on, oh shit, my stop loss has probably almost been hit. Probably like 500, okay, £600. Sheesh. I want to see if from this level we could start seeing rejection to the downside. I want to see how this 5 minutes candles close. This 5 minutes candle close. I want to see how the next 5 minutes candle close. If it closes super bullish, I'm just probably gonna be out. It's probably not ready to push as I expect it to the downside yet. So let me just see. Yeah, everything is going great. So far we have one trade that is so close to our stop loss. Probably just going to nuke this position. I personally like to see like I already nuked my position. So I close the position just right here. So which means I'm just going to have to wait. I'm going to have to wait. And from the look of things, price is basically reaching for this high. From the look of things, price is going to most likely reach for that high, for this high right here. Yeah, yesterday trade played out well. Yesterday we were able to end yesterday in on this account we were able to end yesterday about £284 yesterday, and while on the let me go back let me go back to metrics. While on this I think we were able to end with about £1,200. They already took a £600 loss today. So yeah, we're already down £657 today. But yesterday we were able to end yesterday with £1,228, which is not actually a bad one. Let's just keep seeing how this plays out, to be honest. This is actually a possibility. I really don't know if price is going to come this low, but if price does come this low before it goes to this high, I'll take this trade. But if price goes to this high before it even thinks of coming to this low, then I'll just be stay away from it, because one thing is this is a liquidity level, which means price is probably trying to run into liquidity. So if I take this trade after liquidity has been cracked, I'm just setting myself up for failure in this case. But that's about it. I'm just going to be waiting, to be honest. Let me just see if price comes into this level, which I really don't think price might. But if price does come into this level, it's risky because price could as well come into this level and decide that it wants to overrun this low. Well, if assuming this ends up in a loss once again, then that will be it for today, or at least for this session. I'll just have to wait till the next session probably. I really don't think price will come this low. Price could probably reach into somewhere in the mid of this fair value gap. Price could reach somewhere there. But if price come that low, then I really don't mind taking the trade. Let me just have this so in case if it comes then call my journal. It could we could see this react we could see price react from here or mid. But me personally I'll wait for it to come deeper. Going to the fact that We have another block here, so let me just wait. Now, for those of you that may be asking why I'm choosing this level seems the best, owing to the fact that we have other block sitting right here. If you guys can take a look at what happened, okay, let me just 2 point. Okay, I've still not entered the position. I wanted to come into here. If it misses my entry, it's all cool, but I really wanted to come into here first before I think of entry. So we had this like large run up, and I feel okay. If we are to take this is should be around midpoint. If we are to take this from here all the way to here, okay, this is midpoint. But one looking at it from here is below the midpoint, which is where we are looking to get into what's it called possible buys. We're looking to get in buys at discount, get better pricing rather than entering a trade at premium. So that's the major reason why I'm actually waiting for this level. And if it does, then it's really good. But let's see if this is stop loss, my last trade for this session. If possible, say for the whole day. Okay, I actually entered. Okay, let me check my download history. I was actually in sales on EU. I think. Let me open this file. Let me see. I was in sales on EU. This is today. That's today. So let me see more. I was in sales on EU. Okay, yeah. I was in sales on EU yesterday. Though I got stopped out, I moved my stop loss above this eye. That's around just above this eye that you can notice here. So I got stopped out, but I got stopped out in profit though on the trade. This trade might have just left without us, to be honest. But let's see. Still possibility of it coming down. Possibility of it coming down. But let's see. So trade left without us. If it reaches this high or reaches my TP before it gives me an entry, I'm basically done, and I'll be done for done trading as of the moment. Till I see something real significant, which as of right now I don't think anything significant will happen. I highly doubt anything of significance will happen anytime soon. See how long I've been streaming. So okay, I've been streaming for about an hour now. Okay, not bad, not bad. Well, let's just see if this plays out fine. If it doesn't, then that'll just be the end of the streaming. So I believe that price has left my entry. I'm not getting that entry. Very slightly. I'm not getting the entry again. Price probably not going to give me the entry. It's good, but I highly doubt it. Like price moving all the way from here to here. It's possible seeing what's in the market, but the fact that there's so much bullishness in price right now, it's probably just going to want to keep running to the upside and not push this low. Even though it wants to come to the downside, it probably could push somewhere into here. Somewhere into here. Let's see though. One honest thing is this at the end of the day could end up pushing to the downside. This could end up pushing to the downside, like pushing it downside, breaking further lows and all. But looking at it, I'm feeling like that's highly possible. Yeah, I'm feeling like that's highly possible owing to the fact that price is basically building up. So it's gaining more strength at this level. So most likely we're most likely going to see is price press into this level, break it and yeah, push higher. But still I'm not interested in GU's price action. I'm mostly in for EU zone. But if EU doesn't give me what I want then there it is. I'm not gonna press it any further. Now the reason why I'm marking this level out is there are two things. Price could reach down here and sometimes price might not reach into this level. So if price doesn't reach into this level, if anything that makes price come down here, I'll still be entering the position. So I'm just like marking it up in advance of that. So if price comes into this level, I'll enter it. But yeah, let's just see. Price could still all the way deep into here, but if price comes here, depending on how it reaches into this place, I might think of am I just going enter the position or not. It was good. What country are you watching from? What country are you watching from? I'm just trying to see if this can give us an entry, and then let's say it plays out right here on the live. If it goes to stop loss or if it goes to TP or something. But if this activates, then this will be my last trade for the day, pending CPI, pending PPI rather. So I'm waiting for PPI to see what actually between. So it will be my last trade for the day. By all means, Euro USD does not want to give me an entry. By all means. Yeah, it's a possibility to be honest. It's something that could work out. Something that could not that at the same time could not work out because this what I'm basically trying to capitalize on is the fact that it seems from this that price is going to be bearish during PPI, looking at what DXY is doing. So price like looks like something that's going to be bearish. That's DXY during PPI is probably going to be bullish, then the rest pairs will be bearish during PPI. So it's something I'm trying to like see if I can capitalize on the fact that okay, this will be bearish. So if this is going to be bearish, there's likely probability that price could actually want to push to the upside, grab all of those liquidity. But it's still a possibility that price may not do it up until PPI. So that's another thing which I have to watch out for. But I'm looking at the whole thing and I'm like, let me see if I can give it one more try from this level. And if it doesn't, then that's just about it. I'll just be targeting these eyes. Let me see, wait 2 hours. Okay, let's just see. Let's see. Market has basically continuously missed my entry ever so slightly. Just as if it is seeing it intentionally, it is seeing it and intentionally doing, and intentionally not just trying to get there. 6 then 9,800, so 0.6 as well. This is the reality of trading, basically, of how I trade. 1.6 by 6 by. So I just got into a position right here. Price could at the end of the day reach into here, but let's just see. It's a position that, okay, I want to see how it plays out. 0.244, 424. Now, for those of you that may be saying, why didn't you just wait till price got into this level or this level? The thing there is, you really can't know what price is basically doing. All you're making is probable guesses. If you take a look at, I personally, the reason why I was trying to get an entry level right here is because of other factors that when you look at it from a different other factors. If you see, okay, we have other block right here, and then if price comes into this level, okay, it's possibility that there's a possibility that this could attract price into this level. But at the same time, looking at what price is right here, this is also a level that price could as well want to just react off of. Price does not need to come here. It might, but does not need to. So all of these things are things that, okay, you look at it from a different standpoint. And still looking at it from this point, I might have missed the opportunity for a price to come in. Price might still come there, but at the same time, there's possibility that it may not go there, go as deep into that level. But should in case it doesn't go as deep into that level, I'm able to get an entry right here. And even though it does go into that level, it's fine. It's fine. It's still everything is still managed. I know it's something that I planned for ahead. So that was the way it is. But yeah, I'll just wait, see how this plays out, see how it forms. His price is now finally got into that level. Like after the long wait. I said a patient dog is the fattest bone. So right now it's all a waiting game. We took one loss already for the day. We took one loss already for the day. So our account was sitting at 2,600. Now it's sitting at about 1,9. So we took a £650 loss today. But yeah, this is what it is. Let's see if this can help. Yeah, like honestly, sales is what is like likely going to happen in the long run. Price is looking to sell, but at the same time, this is just like a short intraday kind of trade position. It's a short intraday position, which I'm looking to. Initially I was looking for sales due to this equal highs, the fact that price actually did manipulate at just around here. So we saw this manipulation, this push to the upside. Price manipulated just around here, and then saw that push, and then we ran into the fair value gap. We broke structure, we ran into the fair value. So I was looking at a possible short, but at the same time, looking at what is happening on DXY, the possibility of price reaching into this level is actually really there, and not even just that level. The possibility of price wanting to reach into this level I don't know why my mouse is lagging. So the possibility of price wanting to reach into that level is also there. So if you take a look at what is happening, we have uh these two are basically equal, but I'll just say high, low. All of these right here are not highs or lows or anything. So this we have this high, we have this high, this low, and then this major high. So now, if price was to grab liquidity, where is the nearest possible sell stop going to be sitting at? It's going to be sitting at, this is where sell stops, that liquidity, that's where liquidity is basically sitting at. So if liquidity is sitting just below here, then the possibility of price wanting to grab that and then probably even grab more, or once after grabbing that, it just plays around for the rest of the session till PPI is actually there. So that was the reason. Well, that's what basically me I'm saying. Now it's possible that price may push to the upside, maybe during PPI and grab this, but I really feel mostly what we'll see is probably something like, what we'll mostly see is something like price pushing to the this price pushing to the downside, grabbing this probably may come down again to grab this as well, because these are the two what's it called, news two liquidity levels we have, and then during PPI I could just see a spike to the upside on this, or it does the opposite of what I'm saying, that it pushes above, reacts off of one of these levels, and then continues pushing down. And if it does that, then I will actually take a loss on this trade, but it basically means Euro USD will be buying. But let's just see what market really wants to do. For now, I really don't know. Like, just in this will be my like final position for now till probably maybe PPI, pre PPI or something. But yeah, I'll just be holding this. I'll see how this plays out. But yeah, Funny next, they are a good, what's it called? They are a good prop firm, to be honest. I have actually traded with them and I've worked with them in the past. Like, they actually offer real nice accounts and all. But the only thing is, for now, I really like FTMO is a firm that I really like, and that's just major reason why I'm actually working with FTMO. I'm trading the account. Other than that, for the next, I think they have one of the fastest payout as well, fastest payout time. Like, they pay out regularly on a regular basis within 24 hours compared to the two business days that other pro firm takes. So I think they're a good fit, to be honest. Then, but I personally just always go for FTMO anytime, any day. Always go for FTMO. But overall, they are still a good firm. Let's see what market is really looking to do at this point. Finally, market price actually reached into that level I was looking at for the longest time. But it's cool. It's cool. If I had just been patient enough, I probably might have gotten it. But it is what it is. Let me wait a little bit, see if my stop loss will be hit on this live. I'm still very bullish on Euro USD, at least for the short term. That's intraday bullish. Overall, I'm bearish on Euro USD. If you guys notice, I've been selling Euro USD for the longest time. Like, for the longest time. I don't know why my mouse is lagging a bit, but I've been selling Euro USD for the longest time. Selling Euro USD for the longest time. Not even since this year began. Like, since December. I've actually just been entering sales, and it's been great because actually Euro USD is bearish overall. But yeah, let's just see, shall why my mouse is lagging. I think the battery is about to die. Okay, we've been on this live for about an hour and 30 minutes, and market is really slow. I really don't think it's gonna do anything like real fast within the next few minutes. I don't want this live to exceed about 2 hours. So I'll actually just be ending the live stream here. I'll be updating you guys. So for those of you that are not in the Telegram channel, do well. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description below. So do well to join the Telegram channel. I will update trades that I'm not able to take right here on the live, maybe during the New York session or something. I will always update them there. So do well to join the Telegram channel. I would really appreciate it. And then I also drop a lot of like trading updates that I'm not able to drop on the YouTube community tab. I drop a lot of them on the Telegram channel. So yeah, do well to do that. I would really appreciate. For those of you that have watched and are still yet to subscribe, please do well, drop a subscribe, turn on notification bell. I go live every single day. And yeah, it's as of now, uh it's basically an eye opener in the sense that you guys are able to see what my trading firsthand looks like. And initially entering into this year, I made it a goal to be able to show you guys what my trading looks like, not um just showing you guys, oh, the profit that was made, the profit that was made alone, or probably if I take a loss, showing the losses that was made. I want to show the process of me making that profit, or the process of me making the said loss, and then at the same time help those that are trying to like increase, they are trying to better themselves on the chart. So help, that's just for all of us to help ourselves along the way. So but yeah, do well, drop a subscribe, like, follow me on Telegram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.